Good morning, students. So, today we are again going to start with chapter 4 Light Energy, and this is your fourth session of this chapter. And today's our first topic is characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror. The image of an object seen in a plane mirror has the following characteristics. The first is the image is upright or erect. Let's understand it with an simple example. Suppose this is you and the line which you can see, suppose this is a mirror. So the image that is formed in the mirror is similar to that of yourself. Means there is no changes which is occurring. So the image is upright or erect, not upside down. It's upright or erect. Now let's understand the second characteristics. The second characteristics is saying that the image is virtual. What do you mean by virtual? Virtual means that the image that is formed is forming behind the mirror. Again, see in the similar example, suppose again this is you and the line is the mirror. So you can see that the image which is forming behind the mirror only. So this is called the virtual image. I hope you have understood very clearly what is the virtual image. Now let's understand the image is of same size as the object. Okay, the third point is clearly saying that the image is of same size as the object which is forming in the plane mirror. Now let's again see an example, similar one. Suppose again this is you and the line is the mirror and the image is formed. Okay, now suppose your height is 5 feet. So obviously the image which is formed in the plane mirror will be of same height and also having a same size. I hope it is clear. Now let's see the fourth characteristics. The fourth characteristics of the plane mirror is saying that the image is laterally inverted. Laterally inverted means upside down, and we have seen that if we are lighting a candle and that light when we are seeing in the plane mirror, so the tip of that candle will be inverted, and that is called the image is laterally inverted. Okay, and you can see that in the first session of this chapter. Now let's see what is the fifth characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror, and that is the image is as far behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. Let's take the similar example to understand. Now suppose you are again standing in front of the mirror and this is your image. Suppose the distance between you and the mirror is 1 meter. So it's obvious that the distance of the image from the mirror is 1 meter, okay, as of yourself. Now for suppose if I increase your distance from the mirror, okay, so obviously the image will be shifted as much as your distances increase. And suppose you have shifted or you have increased your distance from the mirror, and that is 5 meter, so image will also be formed 5 meter away from the mirror. Okay, so I hope you are you have clearly understood that what is the